I am Dr. Ravi Sandhu. I am a professor of computer science at the University of Texas in San Antonio. I have been in the United States since 1978. I came there as a student, did my PhD there, and I worked in various universities, currently in San Antonio. I got in touch with NRI Legal Services in regard to my ancestral property, and they helped me through all the phases of this transaction: finding a buyer, settling the deal, closing the deal, repatriating the proceeds, and they did so with the use of all the latest communication technologies and methods, email, WhatsApp, SMS. They are always there to help you, and they made the task very smooth, and I hardly had to come to India at all to get this whole transaction done. And when I did come, it was they gave me a very tight window. They said you only need to be here for 2 or 3 days and we will get everything closed in that period. So it has been a very effective, efficient, and clean process with good communication all the time. Very responsive. Whenever I had any question, they were good. They were happy to answer that very quickly, and they were happy to talk at any time when I wanted to have some clarification over the phone. So I was so pleased with their services that I would be happy to provide a personal reference by email contact or by phone, which contact is available with them. So the transaction that I executed with the help of NRI Legal Services was in Punjab, but and it was of a very high value, and it was difficult for me to trust somebody to actually help me with this, and I was fortunate to find NRI Legal Services. They actually operate all over India, and they are able to deal with property matters anywhere in the Indian subcontinent. I would highly recommend them without any reservations. There are, even in the simplest transactions, there are many steps that the Indian government requires. There are many regulations. And while all that information is available on the web, it is not easy to actually understand all the details and understand all the ramifications. The Indian system it has a certain lack of trust. We don't even trust our own relatives, let alone third parties. And all the same, it may seem somewhat easy to navigate, but it is actually very difficult to navigate, because there's so many fine points, so many details, so many I's that need to be dotted, so many T's that need to be crossed. And NRI Legal Services is on top of all of that. They understand the needs of NRIs very much. And as a resident of Texas, I can say that they provide great service to American